Okay, here. Okay, now raise up, open, open, stand up. This is for the beginning. One, raise up your hands and sit a little bit. Now, rotate 45 degrees, and then we do the rotation, we do a hook. Then move our center of weight to our right leg. Make your left toes touch onto the ground. Raise up your hooks, heel on the ground. Move your center of gravitation forwardly, and then you flip your palms. Look at your left side. See? It's very famous movement. Okay? Back. One more time. Alright, yeah. Okay, and do it one more time. I will show you in 3 versions at least. Don't worry. Imitate. You cannot become a go for high hands after 1.5 hours. It's impossible. Okay? If you can, I will suicide. Rotate. And hook. Hook. I done this for 20 years. And then heel on the ground. We rotate 45 degrees laterally. We hook here. Heel on the ground. And then motion. Open. Up. Raise up. Now. Rotate 45 degrees. Hook here. Up. Stepping. Make a hook and then heel on the ground. Actually, it's a kind of qi gong. You know, qi is a kind of energy that can flow through your whole body. But we need the correct method to make our qi go through our body without obstacles. Okay, stepping. This is one of the methods. Here, we touch first, and then we here, and then. Okay, feel great. Flying up. Oh, hurt. Because I have to absorb the energy. Actually, we do it slowly. You won't be hurt. Okay, in our class, each one of you very safe. Okay, I have to absorb the power to retrieve back. So let us review. Now he wants to punch me. Okay, like a fighter. Yeah. I steal your girlfriend. You cannot do it. Okay. Now here, what happened? 1 here, 2 here, and 3. Now he's bending. If I do it slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, no problem. Okay. Yeah. This is the physics. If we do it continuously, he will bend onto the ground, right? Oh, please. Thank you. Strong. So now this is the secret. What did I do? I do this side here. Let's change another view. Let's do it here. Now he uses his left hand to punch me. And punch. Kill somebody. Don't look at me. I love girls. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Now a little bit bored. You cannot kill. You can kill nothing, but cockroaches. Okay. Now here, punch. I see punch here. Okay, back. Okay, go punch. Punch here. Oh! Here. The same thing. Understand? So the movement now we don't have to show. Okay, here. Here. Don't move. What I did here, here. Understand?